Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca Branconi, founder and coordinator of Zaratan, a marine research and higher education program. I'm also an assistant professor at the Pennsylvania State University and a faculty member here at ISI Florence, where I coordinate the general biology track and the marine biology program and teach a few courses like function and development of organisms, environmental marine biology and sustainability, and narratives of the sea in scientific communication. I'm also one of the designers of this new Interdisciplinary Marine Studies Program, together with Irene Schiatti and Emiliano Calvani. So, what should you know about this interdisciplinary program? I'll try to do my best to sum it up in just a few minutes. So, first, what really sets our marine science program apart is the academic excellence behind every course. Each class is built around the latest discoveries in marine research, blending cutting-edge science with real hands-on experience. So whether that's collecting samples at sea, analyzing data in class, or exploring coastal ecosystem up close. So our courses aren't just about learning facts, they're about learning how to think and work like marine scientists. And because the faculty involved in these programs, like me, are active researchers and experts in the field, so students are always connected to what's happening right now in marine science or in science in general. And this is a program designed to inspire curiosity, build expertise, and prepare students to make a real impact on our oceans. Second, one of the most exciting aspects of the program is the uniqueness and exclusivity of the experiences it offers. Our students don't just study the sea or the oceans from a classroom, they get the rare chance to explore it firsthand in places, that very few people ever see. For example, students have the extraordinary opportunity to visit and collect scientific data in the marine protected area of Elba Island, which is a very pristine environment that is normally, off limits to the public and accessible only to researchers. This means that our students are not just learning advanced research techniques, but they are also contributing to real scientific work in one of the most untouched marine ecosystems in the Mediterranean. So it is an experience that only this program in the world can offer, and it gives our students a unique edge, both academically and professionally. Now, the reason why we can offer such rare opportunities is because of the strong partnerships and collaborations we've built over the years. So our program has long-standing relationship with local communities, institutions, research groups, and environmental organizations that share passion for marine science and conservation. For instance, ISI Florence collaborate with Zaratan, the World Biodiversity Association, the Tuscany Archipelago National Park, Cetacea, and the Gruppo Ricerca Cetacei, just to name a few. So thanks to these connections, our students become part of an active scientific community, gaining experience, building networks and contributing to real, research projects to make a difference. That's what makes this program truly special. Finally, another important feature of the program is its organic structure. So each course is designed to build naturally, on the one before it. So the skills, experiences, and knowledge gained in one class directly support the next one. So for example, in environmental marine biology and sustainability, students learn how to design and conduct scientific research in the field, from planning experiments to collecting data. Then in biostatistics, they learn how to analyze and interpret the data that they collected using the proper statistical tools. And finally, in scientific communication, they learn how to present their finding and communicate complex ideas effectively to different audiences. So transforming scientific information into clear, compelling stories. So by the end, students, are not only capable scientists, but also confident communicators, which is essential in today's world. So to sum up, this program represents a truly unique opportunity for students. It's not just about studying marine science, it's more about living it. But what makes it even more special is that all of this happens while they're living abroad in one of the most fascinating regions in the world, the Mediterranean region. So students explore, the unique ecosystems of the Mediterranean Sea and understand why it's considered one of the planet's biodiversity hotspots, but at the same time, they're also immersed in Italian culture and daily life. So they're learning a new language, connecting with local communities, and developing a broader, global perspective. So by the end of the program, our students are not just better scientists, they're also more open-minded, adaptable, and globally aware individuals, ready to make a difference, whatever their careers take them. So for our students, this program will not just be an academic experience, but more like a journey that shapes who they are as scientists and who they will become as global citizens. Because at the end, what I like to think, it's studying the ocean isn't just, about what students will learn, but is more about what they can do with the knowledge to make a difference in the future. So thank you for your attention and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.